Welcome to Enterprise IT World. With me today we have Mr. Sagar Agrawal. He is heading the IT and at Bennett University. So it's a very interesting area he is doing because this is a growing area, universities, and today Bennett University comprises more than 14,000 students. It's fast growing. So tell us a little bit more about how you're using technology in enhancing students performance, or in the management of the education sector, digital and IT.
That's a very pertinent question in these days.
Yeah.
Technology is everywhere.
Yes.
So we are using technology in every aspect of his student journey, right
Yes.
from the time the student applies into Bennett University
Yes.
till the time the student graduates from the university. So it's all the aspects starting from the learning journey, how a student learns. So we are using technology to create their learning plans.
Right.
We are using AI to create student specific plans and
I see.
how they will grow their learning, so they can see how their career aspects to be.
Right. Yeah.
Apart from that, in the student operations, like whether it's a hostel management, security management, CCTV cameras, AI and technology is everywhere.
Right.
Right. So apart from that, if you talk about university operations, like if you need a building management system or energy management, there also we are using technology.
I see.
So we are a very technology-oriented organization. So in all the aspects of whether it's a student and university operations, we are technology focused.
So, a customized learning journey of students, is that a reality?
Yes, it's a reality and it's in practice, So
I see.
depending on how a student is behaving in a class, whether we have a slow learner or a
Right.
fast learner, you can create customized plans.
I
And there are
see.
interventions which a mentor or a
Right.
professors, depending on their learning, we need to have an interventions also.
Right.
So that because our end goal is that all the students are equal and they all of them should perform well.
Right.
But we do understand, students depending on the individual, journey and the learning ability. There are some students may learn fast, or some students may learn slow.
Yeah.
So we put in special focus in Bennett University to focus on the slow learners and also bring them into on the same league as the fast learners.
Right.
Because ultimately, game for us, we are managing their careers.
Yes.
And for us, it's a beneficial for the student and the parents, because they are sending to a student to us with some expectations.
Right.
So we need to deliver to those expectations.
True.
And technology plays a very important part. So there are obviously a human intervention is there.
Yeah.
But technology helps the mentor or the other faculty members to put those human interventions so that the students can perform.
It's very heartening to know that IT or digital is an enabler in facilitating or actually assisting students in
Right.
achieving higher. So tell me, because you come from the education sector and there's so much hype about AI.
Yes.
So what exactly, or what do you think will be a preferred route or courses that students should do? Because there's a rush of students going and doing engineering in AI.
Right.
Is that the right thing? Because AI is a whole vast thing. It is AI applications, it is AI development. So is basic science courses, those are good for students. So give us your experience.
I believe science is definitely gives some perspective.
Yeah.
But with AI, non-science students can also use AI to build solutions.
I
So
see.
I would answer that question from two perspectives.
Yes.
So a student can either choose to build an AI platform like for example, a Copilot or the
Yes.
ChatGPT.
Right.
So those are the platforms. So I need a technology person to build those platforms.
Yeah.
Then using those platforms, I can build further solutions which are business-specific solutions. So there can be a person who is like person coming from liberal arts. He can use this platform to build a solution for his own domain. He may not be a technocrat who has built that solution, but he can use those AI platforms to build further solutions which are like more
Right.
business-focused solutions.
Yeah. So that
nowadays
person needs to have more subject matter expertise.
more subject matter experts.
Right,
They should know, like there's a domain right now which is like prompt engineering.
Yes.
Right. So it also focuses at what kind of right prompts you ask the AI to answer. Right.
Yeah.
So there are engineers who understand those prompts and then develop a solution like what response the AI has to give.
Right.
So I think today with the technology and with so much vast areas, now it has opened door for all kind of streams
Right.
to collaborate and deliver. It's
Right.
not like I mean, few years back, engineering was the only stream where everyone focused on. But I think these days, management, liberal arts are becoming equally important, if
Right.
not more,
Yeah.
to have that knowledge and build business solutions for them.
Right. So, message to the student community is don't be disheartened if you are not getting through an engineering course.
Absolutely,
because-
absolutely. I know these days, I think if you ask me personally, and
Yeah.
what I am also seeing across universities, like other courses are equally important,
Yeah.
right? And they give you one perspective.
Yeah.
It's not the engineering background is important, but it's only one of the line of
Yeah.
career. There are other lines of career which are equally important and available. Options are available in the market these days.
So, learning traditional coding is how important is there if you are a subject matter expert? Can you do away without that and still be
Yeah,
an AI
absolutely.
engineer?
If you are a subject matter expert, you do not need a traditional coding. There are tools which can now code for you. Even engineers are using those tools to create a basic framework.
Right.
Right. So I don't think so. A traditional coding is the only way to achieve a good career these days.
So thank you
Thank
so
you
much
very
for the
much.
insights,
Thank
and
you.
that was really good to know.
Sure.
Like the world is opening up for students,
right.
and then
It's very much.
AI is a huge field, and its applications can
Yeah,
be
so
multiple.
because of the technology advances, we are also being completed my engineering 23 years back, but we
Yes.
are still in the learning phase, because I think
Right.
that is one important aspect. You should also keep learning the new technologies and new options that we get.
Right.
Yeah.
We have to keep running to keep
Yes,
pace.
we need to keep yourself updated.
Yeah. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.